Who do the Jets play? They play Denver. And what's Denver famous for? They're famous for lamb. And guess what we're making today? A lamb sandwich. Every day cooking, Dad. Cooking every day. Welcome in. Welcome back. Guys, the Jets are playing Denver, Colorado, but I don't have Colorado lamb, right? They're fed differently. But I do have this Australian lamb from Costco, right? We got some Greek yogurt, we got some garlic, we got salt and pepper. Guys, I'm gonna marinate this baby up and we're gonna eat it tomorrow, okay? So let me marinate this up and I'll bring you guys right back. All right, guys, so we're just gonna take this lamb out of the netting. I just washed it off out of the package. All right, and guys, we're not gonna do anything special here, right? Because we're gonna marinate this up. Now, the last time I made a leg of lamb, we closed it all back up and wrapped it up. We're gonna cook this on the grill, right? So it's gonna lay flat. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up some more. Right, I'm just gonna cut until it starts to lay flat. I don't know if you can see that here. So I'm just cutting back till it's relatively laying flat. Let's turn this around and do the same thing on the other side. I'm gonna cut here, right? Cut some more, get this to flip over. Just like that. So now we got kind of like one piece that's pretty much the same size all the way across, right? And now we're just gonna salt, pepper. I'm probably gonna use some garlic powder too. And yeah, I'll be right back. All right, guys. This is a big piece of meat, so it can take some salt. So we're gonna really put some salt on here. Kosher salt, right? Always kosher salt. Black pepper. No, guys, I'm thinking a little thyme leaves too, right? Why not? Just a little bit, not too much. Right? Little thyme leaves. I'm gonna say I'm gonna totally probably use about a tablespoon. We'll flip this baby over. And we're gonna do the same thing on this side. You know what? Just thought of this. Guys, we're just gonna cut down on the top of this fat, right? Just so it will render better. And we'll get a little seasoning to our meat. All right, I think I'm gonna take this fat off here. This is really hard. All right, again, salt and pepper. This time we're gonna make sure we get down in there. Pepper. All right, I'm going with some thyme. Okay, let's just rub this in. Get that all in our spaces here. All right, guys, I'm gonna put this on the side and we're gonna do the yogurt and garlic. All right, so now we're just gonna go with 1 cup of our yogurt, right? This is just plain Greek yogurt. Don't get the one that says vanilla. Don't make that mistake, right? You know what? I'm gonna do about 2.5 cups. That's a lot of meat. You know, let's make it 3. 3 cups of yogurt. And then we're gonna go in with some garlic. I'm gonna do 4 cloves of garlic, right? Then I'm going in with a pinch or so of red chili peppers. I don't know, was that a half a teaspoon? Just a pinch. We're gonna add some salt to this, right? And then some black pepper. All right, guys, just to make sure we're gonna get this nice and garlic, I'm gonna put some garlic powder on the meat. Real quick. Get that inside. Let's flip this over. Some garlic powder.
I'm gonna give this a nice stir. Get all that garlic and stuff incorporated. I'm gonna put some of that right on top of here. All right, and let's get the rest of this in here. Guys, this is gonna sit like this overnight in the refrigerator, and we'll be back tomorrow a couple hours before game time.
All right, guys, here's our meat 24 hours later. Right? It looks exactly the same as we put it in. All right. All right, guys, so as you see there, we only have like one layer of charcoals down, right? And we're going to just keep flipping this back and forth. You know, that yogurt can burn, so we got to keep an eye on this. I mean, look, it's only been down like for a few seconds, right? And take a look at this. It already kind of wants to start burning, right? So you got to be careful here. We just want to put color on it. And guys, I decided to split this meat because, you know, it has like two sides. One side is smaller than the other. So we got lunch today and dinner tomorrow, right? So this side would be lunch today and the bigger side would be dinner tomorrow.
So guys, we're out here. We're going to make our sandwich bread, aioli, right? So we're going to go in with some, you know, let's start with these stirring garlic paste. Got this from Aldi's. Used it for the first time the other day. So I'm just going to go in with about, I say 1 tablespoon. Got some prepared horseradish. I'm going to go in with about 1 tablespoon of that. Complete seasoning, guys. I'm going to say, just so I can see how much it is. Say that's probably about 1/2 tablespoon. And some black pepper. To your taste, right? And no salt, right? And let's just give this a spin. Let's give it a nice taste. Guys, that's right where I like it. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit more black pepper. And I think it needs salt. All right, just a little bit of salt. Not too much. Teaspoon. And then guys, a little bit of sriracha. Not too much. Gives this a taste. All right guys, I'm liking that. I'm gonna take this in the house, put it in the refrigerator until we're ready to go. All right guys, let's take a quick look at our meat. Let's see what temp we're rocking at right now. 114. That's only 65, guys. 102. All right, so we're gonna go back over to the hot side. I'm gonna go fat side down. Close this up. All right, guys, let's take a look. See where our temp is. 111, 140. I'm glad I split these off because it temperature seems to be different on each one of these meats. All right, so we're gonna go back over the fire again. All right, guys, I think you get it, right? I'm gonna flip, turn, put the top on until it comes up to 10. So I'm gonna bring you guys back when I'm finished doing all this flipping and turning, just so I can concentrate on what I'm doing. And I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, our meat is done. Right? I'm just gonna put these on the side and let them rest for like 10 minutes. Here's our other piece. I'm gonna let these rest for 10 minutes and I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, so we got our bread, right? I didn't do anything special. I didn't toast it or anything because I kind of want the softness, right? So we're gonna go in with our aioli sauce, right? All right, guys, let's slice this baby up. All right, guys, I wonder which way the grains are running. I'm gonna say the grains are running this way. So I'm gonna slice, yeah, I can see the grains are running this way. So I'm gonna slice this way. See what we get. See what we get, guys. That's what we look like on the inside. I'm right-handed. Let me get on the other side. Guys, I gotta get in there, get a piece of this, right? I want a piece right here. Guys, this is what we're looking like, right? So let's see what we taste like. I don't know why I never thought to do lamb this way before, guys. This is delicious. Let me get this sliced up and get on bread. Alright guys, so we got our aioli, right? We're gonna go in with some more meat right on top here. Good amount of meat. And then guys, I got some arugula, right? That's gonna go right on top. That's it, guys. That's our sandwich. That is our sandwich. All right, guys, let's give this puppy a taste. Guys, this works out. This is good. Lamb is delicious. Guys, please like and subscribe, right?
Every day cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking.